Did you know that the chicken egg is a true superfood? It might be what your diet is missing for a healthier life. Today, let's discover the 8 incredible benefits of this common yet powerful food. If you're looking for a complete source of protein, the egg is the answer. With all essential amino acids, it's perfect for those aiming for muscle gain and quick recovery. Rich in choline, an essential nutrient for brain function, eggs can boost your memory and focus, ideal for those who need mental energy. Want to lose weight? Eggs are diet-friendly. They provide longer-lasting satiety, helping to control appetite and preventing overeating at meals. One egg contains a real cocktail of vitamins A, D, E, B12, all essential for the proper functioning of the body. Eggs are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help prevent vision problems like cataracts and macular degeneration. Did you know that eggs can improve good cholesterol levels in your body? Eating eggs regularly helps increase HDL, which protects the heart. Want shiny hair and healthy skin? Eggs are rich in biotin and other nutrients that strengthen your hair and help your skin glow. In addition to all these health benefits, eggs are one of the most versatile ingredients out there. From breakfast to dinner, they can be part of any meal. Amazing, isn't it? Chicken eggs are much more than they seem. So, the next time you prepare a meal, remember all the benefits they can bring to your health. Take advantage and subscribe to the channel for more nutrition and healthy living tips.